He was my teacher in a number of classes at both the Mittelschule, the Farben Mittelschule, and also later at the Jewish Teacher Seminary. We had a program that was sort of a pre-Lehrer Seminar program for graduates of the Mittelschule. And so he was my teacher, and from his passion about literature and about poetry and about Bible and about understanding the Bible and about Zionism and the reason for the state of Israel and what how important it all was for us to come together and have a state and yet keep the languages going, both Hebrew and Yiddish. He never got caught up in the Yiddishist, Hebraist battle. He never allowed himself to get caught up in that. If he did, I didn't know about it, because he gave equal weight to both. And he would talk about how important that was, that we not let Yiddish go for the sake of Hebrew, but that Hebrew needed to be developed because of the Zionist state and so on and so forth. So that was his approach. But from his teaching, you couldn't help but absorb the passion for literature, for poetry, for reading, and from being around him. So as a result, it's very contagious.